Hello HR-NET, welcome back to your favorite channel, HR Channel. Today, we're diving deep into another fascinating topic that combines science, facts, and education, all backed by reliable data. So, get ready to explore the wonders of our world with us.
In the previous episode we discussed Pi Network, a crypto technology that is maturing its utility within its ecosystem internally. One of the ecosystems in Pi are nodes. Nodes are the fourth role in the Pi ecosystem and run on laptops and desktops instead of mobile phones. Like other blockchains, Pi nodes will be responsible for validating transactions on a distributed ledger and resolving the challenges in maintaining a distributed currency by having all nodes come to a consensus on the order of new transactions that are being recorded. Unlike nodes that use proof of work such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, Pi node uses a different consensus algorithm based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. In today's episode, we're diving into the essential steps to prepare your computer and check your IP for setting up the Pi network node. Whether you're new to Pi or already a pioneer, this step-by-step guide will help you get started. The Pi network node is a vital part of the Pi ecosystem, allowing users to validate transactions and secure the network. But before we dive into the installation, it's crucial to ensure your computer is ready to handle the node's requirements. First, let's check your computer specs. For optimal performance, your PC should have at least an Intel i5 processor or higher, 8 GB of RAM, and a dedicated 2 GB graphics card. You can check this by going to your system information. Usually I use DexDiag to see the specification. You can follow these easy steps to check it. First, we will check the processor and memory on our computer or laptop. On the taskbar you press Start. Then write DexDiag. Click Open. Look on the System tab page for processor and RAM memory. Then to check the graphic card, you need to move to the Display 1 and Display 2 tabs if you have two graphic cards. Next, let's see our Windows version. Click the Windows at taskbar, then write WinVer. The version of your Windows will showing up. Next, let's verify your public IP address. This is critical for Pi network nodes, as certain ports need to be open. Head over to whatismyipaddress.com to check if your IP is public and static. Make sure the IP on your router, WAN IP, is the same as the public IP in point and above. Another way to do public IP check is from command prompt. I assume the IP above was 120.xxx.xxx.xxx, then open CMD, then do the command, tracer 120.xxx.xxx.xxx. If the trace has one single hop, it means you have public IP, if it has two hops it means you are in CG-NAT. You will need to exit CG-NAT by calling your fiber optic operators ask to exit CG-NAT to open ports. Once your specs are verified and your IP is configured correctly, you're ready to move forward with the node installation. If you want to see how the easiest way setting up your Pi network node on next episode, please like, comment, and subscribe. If likes and subscriptions reach 500 viewers, I will complete all guide episodes from IP configuration, virtualization checks and network management to final installation walks through installing Node.js, setting up the Pi node, enabling the Linux subsystem, WSL, and configuring Docker. The process concludes with scanning ports to confirm network readiness. See you in the next episode on HR channel.
Terima kasih telah menonton. Jangan lupa untuk like, subscribe, dan aktifkan lonceng notifikasi di HR Channel untuk mendapatkan lebih banyak video menarik lainnya.